Daily use clothing problem. Repeat after me. Let's start.
Tear. My shirt has a tear. Tear. My shirt has a tear. Stain. There is a stain on my dress. Stain. There is a stain on my dress. Rip. I accidentally ripped my pants. Rip. I accidentally ripped my pants. Shrink. This sweater shrank after washing. Shrink. This sweater shrank after washing. Fade. The color of my jeans faded. Fade. The color of my jeans faded. Stretch. My shirt has stretched out. Stretch. My shirt has stretched out. Wrinkle. My dress is wrinkled. Wrinkle. My dress is wrinkled. Pill. My sweater started to pill. Pill. My sweater started to pill. Loose. The buttons on my jacket are loose. Loose. The buttons on my jacket are loose. Fray. The edges of my scarf are fraying. Fray. The edges of my scarf are fraying.
Snag. My dress got snagged on the door. Snag. My dress got snagged on the door. Pop. The zipper on my jacket popped open. Pop. The zipper on my jacket popped open. Cling. My shirt is clinging to my body. Cling. My shirt is clinging to my body. Bleed. The color of my shirt bled in the wash. Bleed. The color of my shirt bled in the wash. Unravel. The hem of my pants is unraveling. Unravel. The hem of my pants is unraveling. Loose thread. There is a loose thread on my blouse. Loose thread. There is a loose thread on my blouse. Moth hole. My sweater has a moth hole. Moth hole. My sweater has a moth hole. Missing button. A button is missing from my coat. Missing button. A button is missing from my coat. Discolor. My shirt discolored after using bleach. Discolor. My shirt discolored after using bleach. Lint. My sweater is covered in lint. Lint. My sweater is covered in lint. Pill. My new jacket started to pill. Pill. My new jacket started to pill. Hem. The hem of my dress is uneven. Hem. The hem of my dress is uneven. Buttonhole. The buttonhole on my shirt is torn. Buttonhole. The buttonhole on my shirt is torn. Sole separation. The sole of my shoe is separating. Sole separation. The sole of my shoe is separating. Scuff. My shoes are scuffed. Scuff. My shoes are scuffed. Peel. The leather on my bag is peeling. Peel. The leather on my bag is peeling. Tarnish. My belt buckle is tarnished. Tarnish. My belt buckle is tarnished. Crease. My pants have a crease. Crease. My pants have a crease. Wear out, my socks have worn out. Wear out, my socks have worn out. Fray. The sleeve edges of my jacket are fraying. Fray. The sleeve edges of my jacket are fraying. Hole. There's a hole in my jeans. Hole. There's a hole in my jeans.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more exciting content.